Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, I want to such honor of us to be the presenter in this international conference that organized by Borobudur International Symposium 2024. Before I start the presentation, I want to introduce about the authors here. The first author is Syahidan Cahya Rohmana Eskom. The second is Dr. Uki Yodatama, SSC MCom MM. The third is Setia Nugroho, STM Ang. And then the fourth is Nuryanto, STM Com. And then the last is Emilia Uliarta, MCom. We are from Informatics Engineering, Universitas Muhammadiyah, Magelang. Now, I would like to present about our research with the title Mini OLT Power Supply Alarm Bot for Internet Disruption Prevention. The number of internet users in Indonesia has continued to increase in the last 4 years, and PT Telkom Indonesia has become the largest internet service provider through its IndiHome product with fiber optic technology. The optical line terminal, or OLT device, used by Telkom function to transmit like signal, but the signal strength weakens over distance. To overcome problem in remote areas, Telkom use mini OLTs which are placed in locations that are not covered by regular OLTs. Although useful, these devices are more difficult to maintain because of their remote location and the vulnerable to the power outage. Mini OLTs are equipped with backup batteries that last 2 until 6 hours when the power goes out, but if the power has not been turned on after that, customer service will be disrupted. In 2023, there were 115 mass outages in Vitel Magelang due to the mini OLT battery running out. In 2023, there were 115 mass disruption in Vitel Magelang due to the mini OLT running out of the battery. The problem was caused because the system didn't detect a power outage until the device was completely dead, and there was no early notification of a power outage. To prevent further disruption, an application innovation in the form of an alarm bot is planned. This bot will provide notification via Telegram when the mini OLT power supply is cut off, so the maintenance team can act immediately before the battery runs out. This research aims to improve the quality of Telkom Vitel Magelang service and maintain customer experience according to the company's priorities. This is the previous research. The first is implementation of Telegram bot for network monitoring with security policy, development lifecycle approach, and the Ministry of Marine Affairs and Fisheries, Untia. And the author is Mukmin Purnawansyah and Hasnawi. They're trying to implement Telegram bot to monitor local area network. Telegram bot is implemented on NetWatch configuration on MikroTik. And the second is implementation of Telegram notification alert on network monitoring system with Nagios by Rifa IP, Nuryadi N, and Ripa IA to 2018. In this study, network status checking is done entirely by Nagios. The network status obtained by Nagios is then sent to a Telegram group via Telegram bot. And the third is network monitoring using Telegram notification, Faculty of Engineering, State University of Makassar by Pata AR and Al Muzammil K, 2018. In this research, we add API to MikroTik monitoring application that will send telegram notification to administrator in real time about network device condition and network up and down condition. And this is the method. The mini OLT device uses 220 volt of electricity according to PLN standard. The mini OLT has an electric voltage sensor. When the power supply from the power source is cut off, the voltage will drop. If the voltage sensor on the mini OLT detects that the electric voltage from the alternating current source is lower than 180 volts, the mini OLT alarm will write the status as a down to the database in the OLT device, and the mini OLT will change the power supply to the battery. The following is a flow diagram of how the voltage sensor works on mini OLT. In the middle of picture, we see that the purpose system is a bot that continuously check the status of the database on the mini OLT. When the bot detects the power supply to the mini OLT is cut off, the bot will send a notification to the telecom maintenance team to prepare the generator before the mini OLT runs out of battery and goes down. And then we see in the right picture, the following is an algorithm for checking the status of mini OLT device. The maintenance team can check the device through the Telegram group that has a bot installed by issuing the command /check on Telegram. Then the bot will perform a truth check. If there are no mini OLT device experience interference or down, the bot will send a message all mini OLT up. If there is a mini OLT device experience interface or down, the bot will send a message in the form of mini OLT list constraints. And this is of design system in this research. The image on the left is a use case diagram that describes the interaction of the occur in the system. There are two actors in the system, namely admin and user. Admin or administrator has all the access right to the system, starting from being able to perform the start command, add OLT, add knocker, delete OLT, delete knocker, edit OLT, check OLT status, check OLT list, and access to the help feature. Users can access several features and commands in the system, including checking OLT status, checking OLT list, and accessing the help feature. In the middle image is an activity diagram of mini OLT check. The activity diagram begins with the user writing a command /check on the system. The system will respond by displaying data in the form of the status of the problematic mini OLT condition. The database design is made based on the result of the analysis that has been done and adjusted to the design of system flow that will be built. There are 7 entities in the database design. The table is a database design that will be created on the OLT mini alarm. And this is the result and discussion. The left image shows that several methods used to check the alarm status. If there is a power outage, the alarm checking process will get the status up or down on the mini OLT alarm. The process is carried out on the OLT version AN5516004 and OLT version AN60002. The image on the right is the output of the mini OLT alarm status checking process with the hostname GPON00D4 PEM4FPA. In the image, the status achievable down is visible, which means that the power supply to the device is disconnected. And this is the image is some of the command that can be run on the mini OLT Telegram bot. When the command is sent, the Telegram bot will provide some information according to the command being run. And this is all of this image are message sent by bot via the Telegram message application. The notification is automatically sent when the something happen to the mini OLT. The server will periodically check the mini OLT and provide a response via Telegram message to the user. And this is the data delivery architecture from mini OLT until to the Telegram client. And this is of the algorithm bot Telegram. And this is the testing to the several tested device from the Telegram mobile version 10.14.5, Telegram desktop x64523, and Telegram web. There are 9 testing to that device, and the result can we see from the table. And this is the response time from the device. Conclusion: based on the discussion that has been described previously in this study, the use of Telegram bots for mini OLT power supply alarm function as a data monitoring medium and as a notification medium so that mass disruption prevention can be carried out at Telkomsel Magelang. Based on these results of the black box testing that has been carried out, it was found that all commands contained in the bot can be executed and function properly. And the suggestion from the conclusion, the mini OLT power supply alarm bot for Telkomsel Magelang mass disruption prevention has great potential to be further developed to be better. Some of the researchers suggestion that can be used for further research are optimize this system so that the bot speed in the checking of the mini OLT is faster and more efficient. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.